How to link your Modalyst to AliExpress. A step-by-step guide. Have you ever found the perfect product on AliExpress but struggled to get it into your Modalyst store? Well, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link your Modalyst account to AliExpress, so you can easily source and sell those hot-selling items. Imagine you're a budding online entrepreneur. You've got a great idea for an online store, and you've even found the perfect platform, Modalyst. But where do you get all those amazing products to fill your virtual shelves? That's where AliExpress comes in. With its vast selection of products and competitive prices, AliExpress is a goldmine for dropshippers. Step 1. Create or log in to your Modalyst account. If you don't already have a Modalyst account, go to their website and sign up. Once you have an account, log in. Step 2. Access the AliExpress integration. In your Modalyst dashboard, navigate to the Integrations section. Look for the AliExpress integration and click on it. Step 3. Connect your AliExpress account. You'll be prompted to enter your AliExpress login credentials. Enter your AliExpress username and password, then click Login. Step 4. Authorize Modalyst to access your AliExpress data. AliExpress may ask you to authorize Modalyst to access your account information. Review the permissions requested and click Authorize if you agree. Step 5. Sync your AliExpress products. Once your AliExpress account is connected, you can start syncing products. Modalyst will automatically search for products based on your preferences and sync them to your store. Additional tips. Filtering and sorting. Use Modalyst's filtering and sorting options to find the products that best suit your target audience. Product details. Ensure that the product details, including images and descriptions, are accurate and appealing. Pricing. Set competitive prices for your products to attract customers. Shipping. Consider shipping times and costs when selecting products. Customer service. Be prepared to provide excellent customer service to your customers. Troubleshooting. Connection issues. If you're having trouble connecting your Modalyst account to AliExpress, double-check your login credentials and ensure that you have authorized Modalyst to access your AliExpress data. Sync errors. If you encounter sync errors, try refreshing the page or reconnecting your AliExpress account. By following these simple steps, you can easily link your Modalyst account to AliExpress and start sourcing and selling products from one of the world's largest online marketplaces. With a little effort and creativity, you can build a successful online business. Have you successfully linked your Modalyst account to AliExpress? Share your experience in the comments below. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or contact Modalyst's support team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.